The Cool Thing, a dark comedy, or not, by Robert Rife is a novel that defies simple categorization. It is a blend of dark comedy, science fiction, and absurdity that creates a reading experience unlike many others. From the outset, the book throws readers into a bizarre world inhabited by oddball characters and unexpected plot twists. The story centers around a flawed protagonist, a somewhat besotted crook, and his street-smart companion who stumble upon an ancient spacesuit, setting off a series of wild and unpredictable events. The narrative style is distinctive, reminiscent of authors like Terry Pratchett and Christopher Moore, who are known for their ability to mix humor with deeper themes. This style adds a playful yet thoughtful layer to the story, making it both entertaining and thought-provoking. Readers who enjoy a mix of slapstick humor and darker undertones will find much to appreciate here. The author skillfully balances moments of absurdity with genuine emotional depth, creating a story that is both funny and raw. The dialogue is sharp and witty, driving the plot forward with a pace that keeps the reader engaged. Unexpected surprises and a touch of the surreal keep the narrative fresh and unpredictable throughout. However, the book is not without its controversies. Some readers have found the humor to be reckless and sophomoric, particularly criticizing the frequent use of vulgar language and immature jokes. The author's fixation on certain crude themes and imagery, such as repeated references to testicles and graphic scenes involving characters, has been off-putting to some. This aspect of the book may limit its appeal, especially for readers who prefer more refined or subtle humor. Additionally, the portrayal of certain characters and relationships, including a controversial relationship between an older man and a much younger girl, has sparked discomfort and negative reactions. Despite these criticisms, many readers have praised the book for its originality and boldness. The combination of horror, sci-fi, and comedy elements works surprisingly well, creating a unique atmosphere that is both unsettling and amusing. The characters, while often portrayed as flawed or foolish, are vivid and memorable. The author's personal experiences seem to lend authenticity to the narrative, making the story feel grounded despite its wild and eccentric nature. The Cool Thing is not a book for everyone. Its dark humor and unconventional storytelling style require an open mind and a taste for the bizarre. For those who enjoy stories that challenge norms and blend genres in unexpected ways, this book offers a refreshing and entertaining ride. It is a novel that invites readers to embrace the weird and the wonderful, with all its imperfections and surprises. Overall, The Cool Thing stands out as a daring and imaginative work. It offers a mix of laughter, shock, and reflection, wrapped in a sci-fi setting that adds an intriguing layer to the narrative. Readers who appreciate dark comedy with an edge will likely find this book a worthwhile and memorable experience. For those interested, the product link is in the description below, and leaving a review after reading can help others decide if this quirky and off-kilter adventure is right for them.